Okay, I think we should get started, and you are here for the session on using virtualization to prepare your data center for real-time assurance of business continuity. Please feel free to type in your questions on the Q&A session as you go along, and I will answer all of them at the end in a sequence. Welcome. And let us begin the session. Okay, my name is Rao Mikilineni. I'm the presenter, and I'm the CTO of Kava Objects Inc., a small Silicon Valley startup. And in the past, I worked with at Hitachi Data Systems, SSH Networks, network programs, and also in the Bell system for 25 years. And I have basically experience in IT, information systems, and data center automation management, etc. My co-author is Gopal Kankanhalli, who is the CTO of VirtualXL, and he also comes from a distinguished background in IT. He has in the past worked at VMware, EMC, Wipro, Blue Coat, Commvault, and IBM. The agenda for this particular session is to understand the role of virtualization in providing real-time business continuity. So we will start with the need for business continuity, high availability, and disaster recovery. We will also look at traditional approaches to business continuity and key challenges. And then we will look at how virtualization is radically changing the way we approach business continuity, high availability and disaster recovery, etc. And I present some of the work that we did in trying to show a new approach and solution for business continuity using virtualization. And I will present some conclusions at the end. Now, always the customers demand uninterrupted. Hello? So in the sense, basically, if you look at recent news items, all of the cloud vendors, for example, Google, Amazon, all of them have interrupted services, and people are very upset when they really don't get their email or their applications when they need it. So the interruptions come in many, many forms. Number one is really the power failure, which causes approximately about 42% of the failures in this source from Forrester 2007. The number two failure is actually IT hardware failure, 31%. And number three is, of course, the network failure, about 21%. Now, there are other issues like hurricanes and the earthquakes and tornadoes and so on, which are very small probability events, but they can cause real havoc and create a big loss for the corporations. So if you look at the statistics of how various companies have been affected in the past by the disastrous events, you can see that at least 27% of the companies have declared at least one disaster in the past 5 years. So, although it is good news that 73% of the people have who were surveyed did not have any disasters, the 27% had to cope with many of these issues. And some of them, for example, have actually